Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you all?
Fine, healthy.
Okay, what is day today?
Activity day.
Okay, what will you do today?
Making this.
Ayat, what are you doing today? Okay. Will you enjoy?
Yes.
Okay, let's start.
Yes.
Hello, Frisham.
Hi.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Activity.
Okay. Hello, Mariam. Mariam. Hello. Hello, Mariam.
Hi.
Hi, Myra.
Hi.
What are you doing? Very good. Mustajab, are you happy?
Yes.
Okay. Hamad, what are you making?
Making sun.
Okay. Mustajab, what is the purpose of sun?
Color is the yellow sun.
Okay. Hello, students.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Making sun.
Okay.
Fine,
How are you?
healthy.
Okay. Have you done your activity?
Yes.
Okay. Mustajab, what is the use of sun?
Sun is yellow,
Hmm?
it shines.
Okay. Hamad, what is the use of sun?
It gives light.
Okay.